Hey y'all, I have something somber to share with you today. In mid-May, a family that I had been friends with for many years had a tragedy. Their home for many decades nearly burned to the ground. I have known the Gellings family since around 2008. They opened up their home almost every Sabbath for many years for fellowship. In 2010, our little fellowship of around 11 adults spearheaded a fundraising drive and collected a full shipping container full of resources in response to the Haiti earthquake. This shipping container included things like generators, tents, non-perishable food, clothes, medicine, and even a vehicle. MichelleGellings almost single-handedly negotiated with corporate donors and networked with radio and local TV stations to raise awareness of the fundraiser. She even flew to the port to repack the container because of customs issues. The Gellings family has been so generous to so many. They opened up their home to people to live with them from time to time. I was one of those people that lived there for a few months in 2019 until a family emergency called me to move out of the area. I have been thinking about them and praying about them since I found out about this tragedy from a Facebook post. I really desired to show my support and contribute $1,000, but this was more than my budget could handle at the moment. Then an idea popped in my head. Hey, I'm a content creator. I can make a video and share it. If all of my YouTube subscribers contributed just $5, then I would have assisted in contributing over $1,000. If all of my Facebook friends contributed just $1, together we would contribute over $1,000. Please feel free to share this and pass the word. Your prayers and monetary support will be greatly appreciated as they navigate this new stage of their life. They have a GoFundMe, CashApp, and Venmo that I will link more info in the description. If you want to send a check, let me know, and I will give you information for that. If you are a local friend of mine and want to give cash, I will forward it to them electronically. I just found out that they were underinsured, so they will not receive full replacement cost to rebuild. Let's show our support for this very generous family in their time of need. Let's shoot for $100,000 instead of $1,000. Thank you all for considering.